We make 3 best text animations in After Effects. We create a new composition. We select the text tool and write our text. We place the text in the center of the composition. We select the pen tool and add a mask to our text. And we correct the mask correctly. We copy the layer. We change the mask of the layer below to subtract. We open the position value of both layers and activate their keyframes. We move the keyframes forward 5 frames. We come to frame 20. And we adjust the positions of the layers like this. We select all the keyframes and give them easy ease. We open the graph editor and adjust the speed graph like this. There is a problem here because it is a mask. We copy another layer to solve this problem. We delete the mask of the copied layer. We open the opacity value. We start the opacity value at frame 4 and make it 0 at frame 5. Very good. Now, we add the drop shadow effect from the effects. We make the opacity 70, softness value 50, direction 300. We come to frame 5 and activate the opacity and distance keyframes, and set their values to 0. We come to frame 20. We make the distance value 20, opacity value 70. We copy the drop shadow effect and add it to our other text. We press U and pull back the keyframes of the drop shadow effect. We make the direction value of the effect we copied 150. We select the layer above and press U, and pull back the keyframes of both layers. Very good, but there is a problem. To solve this, we pull the last keyframe of the opacity value a little forward. Much better. Now let's see how to make a flicker effect. We create the composition. We select the text tool and change the color of the text we will write and make it white. We place the text in the center of the composition. We copy one from the layer. We turn off the fill color of the copied text and activate the stroke value. We add opacity from animation to the text with the fill value. We set the opacity value to 0 and open the advanced feature. We activate the random feature. We activate the start keyframe and come to 1 second. And set its value to 85. While we are on the random seed feature, we click once by pressing the Alt key. We write time *20 in the open place. Our flicker effect is ready. Now we add the text bounce effect from the effects to the text we wrote for the bounce effect. We set the frequency value to 5 and the decay value to 35. Of course, you can make different animations by changing other settings. There are other text animations on my channel, you can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be informed about new videos. I'm waiting for your comments. See you in new videos.